Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to hide any posts from you on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first thing, enter the application. Then as you see here, you are on the discover page. So for example, this post, click on it, click on these 3 points. Then as you see here, you will find hide posts for me. So just click on it and click hide, and that's it. It will be hidden or hidden. So that's it. That's how to hide any posts you don't like on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.